Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have DYSON Zone headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily keep your safe volume level or how to disable this option. Let's get started. First we have to open our My DYSON app and then go into our settings by clicking this gear icon over there. Now we have to go into product settings and we have to scroll down until we see preferences. As you can see, there's an option over there, keep volume at the safe level. When enabled, your audio stays below the recommended limit of 85 decibels. We can either disable it or enable it. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.